In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a logo or watermark from a video using Filmora's AI Object Remover tool. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I created this particular video overview or explainer video using NotebookLM. And one thing you'll take a note of is that there is a logo almost everywhere at the bottom right there. Now, it's because I was using the free version of NotebookLM, so there is a logo that goes across all the way. A couple of things to note. For this to really work well is it needs to be more or less a short clip. 3 to 10 seconds is like a sweet spot. So if you're working maybe to remove a logo from a hat or a t-shirt that came into screen just for a couple of seconds, that might be good. And also you might need to cut up your clips into manageable sizes. And the reason why I'm saying that is because this particular clip right here is about 6 seconds. So to activate the AI remover tool, if I click on this and then come here and click on these arrows to show more features, you'll see the AI object remover tool because I've selected this particular clip and it's shorter. If I click on this one and select the same option, the AI object remover tool is not functional because this clip is too long for the AI object remover tool to go through that. So I'd highly recommend that you kind of work on short clips little by little. So for example, here I can actually cut from there and then let's say we want to remove it up to somewhere like there, and say we want to remove the logo from this particular piece. This should be still long. Let's actually cut it a little bit, split, and say we want to remove the logo from this particular clip. So I've selected it and now I'll go up here and click on AI object remover tool, and you're going to see a couple of options from the new dialog box. So you can see the magic box, the smart brush, or the eraser. Now take a note that the AI object remover tool does consume your credits right here, but you can always purchase some more. So I'll click on the smart brush right there and just come here and just select this particular section right there. And once I do that, you're going to get these particular selected objects right here. So if you're satisfied with that, just click on remove. Now, if I look up here, you'll see the task list. It's actually converting this particular clip, and you can see also the task in progress is actually going on here. So what happens is this file is uploaded to Wondershare Filmora servers, and then the process for removing begins. You can see it's a little bit fast. It's about 50%. And the reason for this is because if you use longer clips, for example, I tried it on this particular clip. This clip is about a minute or so, and it took a while. But as you can see, it actually cleared the whole logo, and you never noticed that there was a NotebookLM logo right there. So you can see this one is in progress. We can see the tasks right here, 51% and so on and so forth. But it does take some time because it has to go to the server, and then once it's done, it's going to come back into your media bin right here as a completed project. But that is how you can remove logos or watermarks from NotebookLM videos using Wondershare Filmora. That is the AI object remover tool. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.